So I am a coach. I specifically started a high skills class and accessory class on Sundays, and I'm hoping to progress that throughout the week with our gym expanding. So I would also like to implement it with the new people coming into our gym with movement screens, because I think my gym has tough programming, but I also think there are a lot of things that some people aren't ready for that they're trying to do too soon coming in. So I think if you get someone go through a movement screen and say like, okay, maybe your mobility is not there yet, but let's like retest it in 3 months. That's only going to help their strength development, their skill development. Specifically on Sundays, I definitely program Bulletproof work into things, and everyone loves it. Everyone comes up to me and says, for some reason my shoulders are always warmed up during your class, but when we're going to do something in a CrossFit class, I don't feel this good. So luckily those classes give me a little bit more time to slow down with clients. So right now my main focus is going to be hitting that class strong and then hopefully spreading it.